Familiar Dodgebot. And welcome to... Oh, freaking crap.
Hide behind me. I am your shield.
You might want to run. Yeah, he can't see us though. You're wearing that, so you might just want to run because he can definitely see you. Dang it, he had a way better gun than me. But yeah, I'm in front of another Dodgebot, and today we're playing Resurgence. It's a Pavlov game. I mean, duh. I mean, I'm in Pavlov. Is everything working now? Nope, it's still locked. Still swapped. Locked eyes, bro.
That's weird. Gotta pop out. Fuck me.
Flipping hate. Wait, I don't.
We're going right.
Show. I'm tipping! But yeah, it's a pretty fun game. Yeah. Me and my friend showed me this game. It's in Pavlov. It's actually really fun. It's like Ghost of Tabor, you know what I've been doing, but you know, but better because of the simple fact that things are easy to find. I mean, you would think that it would kind of get boring, but there's a lot of action. The game, a lot of players, first of all, a lot of people, and it's like a lot simpler than Tabor is. In Tabor, where if you die, you lose everything and you have never a chance to get it back. If you play this, it's you know, you die, then you can just come right back and land on the island. Mosing. And since it's also Pavlov, there's way more guns. So come on, some money. Only like $500. My friend showed me the game, and well, I already said that. I'm confusing myself now. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there we go. It would have been embarrassing if I got jumped like that. And yeah, there's even systems, inventory systems, and everything. This is technically your backpack, but this is like more like an inventory. And sometimes I'll be an idiot. How do I get the same gun? Sometimes I'll be an idiot and try to put my gun in front of me. Because I think this is Tabor, but it's not Tabor. Is it the same house? Nope. Again, this is like Tabor, so just don't trust anybody. You can't trust anybody. And there was the point. I can sell all of it. I haven't seen any Resurgence YouTubers, so I guess I can. That's why I'm just playing this. Because it's a cool, unique experience. I don't know if you leave. That's the plane that just circles around the map, and you can just jump right off anywhere. We're next to people, and there's no cooldown. So you can just jump in whatever you want. Okay. And also, infinite ammo is nothing to sneeze at. You get infinite ammo in your gun because this is, you know, Pavlov, which I hope they never change because that's really cool. So those are, you know, they're just cell towers. Please walk right over there. I don't know how much. I can't really talk much because, you know, there's nothing really going on. I'm just really looting. There's not a lot of people on right now. I wish I would say if I didn't get jumped 30 seconds ago. Or more like, maybe not 30 seconds. And also, apparently supply drops are bad, so my friends told me. And they're supposed to look good. People think they're good because, you know, they're new, but they're not good. And they're actually really bad. Alright, cool. Also, trading is awesome, bro. I wanted to introduce you guys to me making this video because I wanted to do a video of me like trading up to like how high of an item I can get. I'll be like, I'll start off like a pistol, like a bandage or something like that, and like work my way up to like a Barrett. That'd be awesome. Also, what's really cool about this too, though.
Bruh.
Bruh.
How? He got me with a headshot. Really? Oh my god, it looks like it's way on my back end. It's working? No, that's super weird. I might need to join the server. You know, actually,
Sean, look for the daily people.
I'm gonna go join. Oh yeah, they're kidding. That means I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Now everything's working. Alright, now you guys can see my menus and crap. Now I can actually pull things out. And I'm gonna change a few things. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Alright, cool.
Hey.
What's up?
Hey.
What's up?
Wanna team with me?
Nah, I won't get it. But, yeah, let's do it.
It's this.
Later, losers! Whee! That's armor right there. Just making sure no one's off strapped behind me. Alright, but yeah, resurgence. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, I'm missing the end of the video. So, also, I'm making a freaking video talking about, of me playing, what the frick is it called? Because I've always wanted to do a story mode game on this channel. Oh, shotgun. Come here. There we go.
Bruh.
Okay. I don't do that. I've always wanted to do a story mode game on the channel, but I've always never been able to do it. So, now this isn't a story mode game, so, but I've played, so I tried, what's it called, I don't remember. My Little Monster, where there's cryptids running around and you can take care of them and all that crap. It's in Rec Room, which is pretty cool actually. I've already done. I just need to make the intro and outro and edit it all, and it'll be and hopefully you guys like it. But this video is coming out first, and then the next one should be out in a little bit. I'll probably make it. I have to do videos week to week because of the simple fact that I edit my videos. So, you know, not the best, but you know. And I would hire an editor. I just don't know how to use payment for these stuff. So I need like in-person transactions. And you know how you know editing's hard to figure out and confusing and all that stuff. What was that? Heroin. Yes, drugs. Got him. Oh damn. What the frick?
Shit, I just got shit on.
Oh, we both died? What the frick? What the frick? You good, bro?
You just dunked on my ass with an infantry rifle.
That's weird. You killed me and I killed you. That's super weird. Alright. Hello? Shaking random channels. Hello? Oh, frick, I'm not even shot at. I didn't come over there. Crap. Why am I slow? Because I'm low in health. Of course I am. Oh! Yeah, this game's super fun. I love it. I just want to make Pavlov content, honestly, because I have it and it's kind of just, you know, there. Now it's way easier to tell.
Yo, suit. Friend, get it, suit. Get it, suit. Are you alive?
Drugs. Sight. Trying to find a gun. Really? Oh my god.
You are not ghillie suit.
What? You shot me through the thing for a second there?
Bruh.
Hello? Guys? Just seeing if there's anybody on this channel. You can hear everybody like this, the radio. But yeah, this is the game, really. Just dying over and over. Just, you know, kind of dying over and over again. My friends was like, bro, I want to play, like, Pavlov. I mean, no, I'm not Pavlov. He wanted to play Ghost of War, but this is like the same game, but, you know, he really wanted to play Ghost of War. Oh yeah, I should actually probably check if he's online right now. And also, I like this game better because I can play with my friends and we could talk out loud. Not have to, like, you know, be quiet the entire time. That's why I don't have any friends in my sport videos.
Bruh.
$1,000. Not that bad. A lot of bolt action rifles, holy crap. Also a lot of gun shooting. Interesting. I'm not gonna go towards that. Also, there's no compass or anything that tells me where the stuff is, but infinite sprint is also awesome because, you know, I can walk forever and I won't get tired. I keep it on me, but if I need to drop something, I'm dropping that. Are you kidding me with the bolt action rifles? No way. It's funny. I don't know why that's funny, but it is. Something better than this rifle. Think what? I mean, I guess it's better. Oh my god, bro. Is that what I'm gonna name this video? The bolt action and extravaganza? Because of all those guys with bolt action rifles. There's nothing you can name here. Man, look at that. There's an Exfil. Is anybody up there? Nope. There's like never anybody at Exfil, I swear. No timer, but this thing's here. Gonna be alright. But later I'm probably gonna hang out with my friends. But for now, we're gonna keep on playing Resurgence. And we're gonna keep on dying over and over again. Just like we do in support. Isn't it so fun? Do you guys enjoy these? I don't know. Some people aren't even watching like videos. Are you kidding me with the bolt action rifles? Nope. Nope. Anybody home? Me, Doge. Open up. They're filling. There's no way wipe is Tuesday. Oh, this Tuesday. Nope. That was a really dumb idea.
Oh,
Two of them, and I didn't hit the guy in the head. And I could have gotten out of that with a really good suppressor. And that's it. That's all. Not even. All I've got is bolt action guns. Cool thing is to show you this. Hello. It's a guy down there. It's a guy. God, frick. Are you kidding me? Why is there no sprinting? Or am I crouching or something? Nope. Yeah, I think I'm crouching or something. Oh god, they'll get a headshot.
Well, that guy just get.
Whoa. Whoa, we were this close. Oh my god, that guy just... Holy crap. People need a better verb of saying that thing. And stay straight. I got a pitch. Okay, there's another guy there. Okay. Really? Run the other direction from that man. No weapon. Nope. Oh my god, he got a headshot? Bruh, what do you mean he got a headshot? I'm actually interested to see what you have. Yup, point. Hello. What? Messed up. Alright, last game. This time, we're gonna not get a freaking bolt action rifle. We're gonna get a really good gun, we're gonna kill somebody, and we're gonna exfil. Swear to God, if I get another bolt action rifle. Nope. Not really bolt action, but close enough. I don't know, is it like bolt action day or something like that? Oh, it's already died. Yep, face me. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? We're gonna kill somebody. We're gonna kill somebody. We're gonna kill somebody.
What is this? What the fuck is this? What is this? Please tell me. What the fuck is this? I'm not fucking Jumbo.
Whoa. My hiney. Yeah, how is wipe? There's no wipe. Wait, ugh, there's no way wipe is like Tuesday. Talking about Ghost Tour wipe. I got no money, bro. I got no money. Got no money. All I have is this box. I want to see what's in this box. Oh, it's a terrible gun. You know, never mind. I don't even want this. Okay, I'm just go. That's okay with you then. This is the vaults. Technically. This is more also just like a yeah. Oh my god! I'm actually tired of this. This isn't even funny anymore. Money. You can't open these, right? Okay, cool. I swear to God. Okay, thank God. Scorpion.
Nope. Nope.
Ooh, that's not a good sign. But apparently, I got something different than a freaking bolt action rifle. I don't mind the shotguns, okay, those are fine. But bolt action rifle like 20 times. When I finally broke the curse. No key cards, which sucks, but what are you gonna do? Get this shotgun.
I'm gonna touch you.
No, back up. No way.
I've been stucky.
No. Oh, wait. Money. All right. Where's my? Okay. You can. Oh my god, for a minute I thought you killed that man.
McDonald's or something. What are you guys doing? Just chilling on the floor. Look at that, hey? It's like somebody get there.
He's stuck, bro. He's stuck. He's balling and he can't get up.
I'm falling.
I'm
Yeah, can
gonna
I
go
get sleep? Can I sleep without getting butt fucked, please? He's
No.
going on plane. He's going on plane. He's going on plane. Oh, hi. He's going on plane. He's going on plane.
Random dipping. That's the end of the video.